first one is 2x plus 3 raised to m, 3x plus 2 raised to n. Now the rules that are used here are a into b, that is a is this one and b is this one. So a into b, and then as there is power of m and n, so we have also use access to n. Now let's start. So differentiation of, that is 2x plus 3 raised to m into 3x plus 2 raised to n. So that it becomes different 2x plus 3 raised to m constant into differentiation of 3x raised plus 2 raised to n, then plus 3x plus 2 raised to n differentiation of 2x plus 3 raised to m. Now first of all we will differentiate this one and then differentiate this one. So I am going to separately differentiate this first term and then second term. So now differentiation of 3x plus 2 raised to n is n into 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1. Now differentiation of this one also being used as we explained this one earlier in lecture number 2, that with with x term anything is multiplied and plus, then this get also differentiated. If you didn't attend lecture number 2, then please attend that, so that you can understand this differentiation why I am doing this. Now multiplying with this answer is that differentiation of 3x plus 2, differentiation of 3x is 3, as you know differentiation of anything with x becomes anything, that is 3, and differentiation of anything constant becomes 0. So differentiation of this first term is, as I solved before, that is, first we have to multiply this 2x plus 3m into, that becomes 2x plus 3 raised to m into, that is 3n into 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1. Now the addition of this, we have to differentiate second term. I am going to differentiate this second term separately, then we multiply with this and addition with this whole term. So differentiation of 2x plus 3 raised to m becomes m into 2x plus 3 raised to m minus 1 into 2. This differentiation is similar to this before, mm, same definition as have done, I mean to say this one. So now 3x plus 2 raised to n, 3x plus 2 raised to n, that become multiplied with differentiation of 2x plus 3 raised to m, that is m into 2x plus 3 raised to m minus 1 into 2. Now you can simplify this one as we can simplify this one as we can take common this 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1 and this 2x plus 3 raised to n minus 1, so that it becomes 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2x plus 3 raised to m minus 1. Then in common that remains is from this whole term, that is 3n, and from m, if it minus m minus 1, so that becomes 1, that is 2x plus 3 remains there, 2x plus 3. I hope you know the power concept. I am not going to explain that. Okay, still I am going to explain this. So this power term becomes m minus 1. Okay, I will do this separately. So as we know, minus m minus 1, if it minus this, as we know, after taking common it get minused, so that becomes m minus m plus 1, so that becomes that it get minused and plus 1 is remaining. So that's how we get power 2x plus 3 raised to power 1. Now differentiating this next term, we get in common, that is 2m with 3x plus 2 raised to 1 power. So now simplifying further, this becomes 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2x plus 3 raised to m minus 1 into, if we multiply this one, 3n plus 2x, that is 6nx, then plus 9n, then 2m into 3x, that becomes plus plus 3 to the 6, 6mx, plus 2 to the 4, 4m. Now that becomes, if okay, now we can further simplify this by taking common of x. So now this becomes 3x plus 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2x plus 3 raised to m minus 1 into from this x and this 6. So you can take common 6 also. 6x then becomes n plus m remains plus 9n plus 4m. So this last answer is the answer of after simplifying this whole time. This is the final answer. Now you cannot further simplify this one, so this one is the last answer, last and final answer. I hope you can understand this clearly. If any doubt, then please comment that example 1 is not clear still, so I can explain this further in next video.